Are you looking for the best t-shirt heat presses? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best t-shirt heat presses on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Fancier Studio Heat Press Digital Heat Press. Experienced users should find the 15 by 15 inch Fancier Studio Power Heat a straightforward and accurate unit. It's Teflon coated, which helps to prevent it from burning the transfers, and it can reach a maximum temperature of 699 degrees Fahrenheit. Brand new model by Fancier 15 by 15 inch industrial quality digital heat press with improvements from the previous model, including included sheet and coating on the heat platen. The silicone rubber base is now glued down. This heat press is compact and is an upward opening model, which saves space. Ideal for applying transfers, letters, numbers, and images on t-shirts, garments, bags, mouse mats, jigsaw puzzles, ID badges, ceramic tiles, and other items. Voltage, 110 volt power, 1400 watts, heat press style clamshell. Temperature range, 0-500. Electronic time and heat control. Silicone pad lightly glued down for easy replacement. Pressure adjustable. Blue-black model, FS15X15BB. Number 2. Cricut EasyPress 2 Heat Press Machine. Available in 3 sizes and 4 colors, the Cricut 200-5432 is an alternative to traditional options and functions similarly to a household iron. You can get great results with it, but having to press down on it constantly during use can be a bit of a pain. Get pro-level heat transfer results with Cricut EasyPress 2, the speed of a heat press and the convenience of an iron. Control temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit 205 degrees Celsius and set the timer to take on just about any heat transfer project that comes your way. Featuring an advanced heat plate design with a ceramic-coated surface, the press heats up in under 2 minutes and can take on even the most intricate prints in no time. Cricut EasyPress 2 is equipped with an insulated safety base and auto-off feature to help make every heat transfer project a safe, worry-free experience. Cricut products conform with applicable product standards like UL, CSA, FCC, or IEC standards. Cricut products are also listed or certified nationally recognized testing labs, NRTLs, such as TUV and Intertech. Cricut products are designed and tested in Utah, USA. Our US-based member care team is available via phone and chat. Hours of operation may vary based on the country. Requires maximum input 120V outlet. Number 3. Tussi Heat Press Machine. If you're looking to set up a permanent workstation, you can remove the feet from the Tussi industrial quality and use their holes to bolt the unit down to a bench or table, which will enable you to open or close the machine with one hand. Tussi automatic heat press machine is so easy to use that takes away the struggles of a regular heat press. All you have to do is gently push the ironing board inside and press one button to start, and the machine can automatically press down, adding even and sufficient pressure to the object for heat transfer work. Even men with less strength can easily complete hundreds of heat transfer products with a Tussi auto heat press machine. The auto heat press can also automatically lift after the set time is over, so the user does not need to be at the machine all the time, which can save a lot of time for individuals or studios to prepare transfer materials or design patterns. Combined with the setting of 30-minute automatic shutdown without operation, even if you forget the work in progress, there is no need to worry about long-term heating damage to the work or cause safety accidents. Our 15 by 15 heat press could reach the temperature from 0-240 degrees C, 0-464 degrees Fahrenheit, and set time from 0-499 seconds. 1100 W high power and single tube heating, this machine can distribute heat faster and more evenly. Compared with industrial heat press, Tussi automatic heat press has a smaller body under the same heat transfer size. The appearance adopts a home-style design. We added crystals pearlescent powder into the surface painting, which can present an iridescent light under the light. It is an excellent machine for heat press work and a good decoration when idle. 24/7 attentive support will be offered with great patience. Any problems with this heat press, for example, product functions, or logistics timeliness, just contact us. Number 4. Tussi Slide Out 12 by 15 Swing Away Heat Press Machine. TUSSY Heat Press Platen is covered by Teflon, thus helping to prevent you from burning and protecting your vinyl. No need for a separate silicone/Teflon sheet. Thickened silicone pad and sponge pad ensure more flat and even pressing because of their good elasticity. Prevent you from burning and protecting your vinyl. No need for a separate silicone/Teflon sheet. Thickened silicone pad and sponge pad ensure more flat and even pressing because of their good elasticity. Extra slide-out rail is added at the bottom, thus you can pull out the tray and transfer perfect colors easily. Slide-out heat press with 5-in-1 design greatly increases your operation room by 35%, which makes transfer safer and more flexible. LCD displays show time and temperature, in Fahrenheit or Celsius alternatively, to provide you with precisely control of time and temperature. Time control, 0 to 999 seconds, temperature range, 32 to 482 degrees Fahrenheit, power, 1100 W. Heat press machine provides a large surface transfer onto flat surfaced items. It can transfer colorful pictures and characters of sublimating and dissolved printing ink onto ceramics, glasses, and textiles such as cotton, flax, chemical fiber, nylon, etc. If you have any problem, please feel free to contact us. We'll reply within 24h. Mug press sublimation 3-inch-3.5, 11 ounces, hat press 6 inches by 3 inches, plate press number 1, diameter, max, 5 and plate press number 2, diameter, max, 6, ideal for pressing t-shirts, mugs, hats, plates, caps, bags, mouse pads and other flat items. Number 5. Cricut Easy Press Mini Heat Press. Weighing in at just over a pound, the Cricut Easy Press Mini is a lightweight and portable option. Its compact size makes it ideal for intricate designs, as well as for stamping company logos on the chest or pocket area of shirts. Get high-impact heat transfer results with Cricut Easy Press Mini, a small, compact heat press for uniquely shaped, extra-small projects with hard-to-reach spaces. Cycle through 3 heat settings for every iron-on, HTV, infusible ink, and sublimation project. A comfortable hand and precision tip offers supreme control and accuracy. Paired with an insulated safety base and auto-off feature, Cricut Easy Press Mini stores easily almost anywhere. Works with major brands of HTV or iron-on materials, perfect companion for Cricut smart cutting machines, ideal for sewing and quilting projects. Cricut products conform with applicable product standards like UL, CSA, FCC, or IEC standards. Cricut products are also listed or certified nationally recognized testing labs, NRTLs, such as TUV and Intertech. Cricut products are designed and tested in Utah, USA. Our US-based member care team is available via phone and chat. Hours of operation may vary based on the country. Number 6. PowerPress Industrial Quality Digital Sublimation Heat Press Machine. The sleek-looking PowerPress Industrial, AX $181, is an upward-opening model with a 15 by 15-inch transfer area. Its silicone mat can withstand temperatures of up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and is easily removed if it ever needs to be washed or replaced. Teflon-coated heating plate, 15 by 15 inch. Voltage, 110 V. Power, 1400 W. Digital control board, temperature range, 32 to 455 F and time range, 0 to 999 S. Removable silicone mat. The silicone mat is not glued on the bottom board. Advantages: washable, easy to clean after work, and replaceable, easy to replace with new mat. Please feel free to move or attach as you like. Bottom handle: when the heating plate is closed with high temperature, the shape of the machine might change slightly. A bottom handle can then help you open the plate easily and safely. Patented design control chip makes the machine more powerful, more accurate, and safer to control the temperature. Replaceable fuse: protect machine from overheating and electric short.